Do you want to learn how to make sure your iPhone apps always stay up to date? In this video, I will show you how to easily and quickly automatically update apps in just a few simple steps. After watching this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your iPhone so that the latest versions of all the apps on your phone are automatically downloaded and installed. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start keeping your iPhone updated with ease. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called App Store. Once you find it, tap on it. And now you'll see a section called Automatic Downloads, and under that, it has App Updates, which is turned off. App Updates. Automatically download new app updates. So in order to automatically download the latest app updates, simply toggle this on. And now you have successfully enabled automatic app updates on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.